How's it going, fam? Good morning to everybody again. Well, I just want to make this video as an update, guys. Pulling out of here, out of the Wally world. I don't know what it is about the Walmart's distribution centers. If you've seen one, you've pretty much seen them all. They've pretty much, they're all, majority of them, I can't say for all of them, they're all cookie cutter. They're all pretty much the same layout with the exception of where they actually have the unloading docks for certain things, whether it be refrigerated or dry stuff. But, like I said, they're all pretty much the layout. And one thing is always for sure, is the receiving office is always in that corner. Doesn't matter where you are, it's always in that corner of the building. But yeah, that's just Walmart. So there are some exceptions to the layouts. I mean, I've seen a couple that are completely off the wall set up and stuff like that. But that's just a different story. I figured I'd say that because yeah, that's just Walmart. Oops, sorry, lady. So yeah, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Making this video sort of as an additional update to basically what's going on with my truck. Now, long story short, the truck is going into the body shop today. I just dropped off the load and I'm headed over there to that body shop to finally drop it off. As you all know, if you watched the other videos I posted about it, the incident that happened on September 1st. We're talking what? It's upwards of a month, almost a month and a half. That it's been on and off dealing with the insurance companies, and you know how it is with insurance. Hey, if they need money from you, they're gonna be on you like flies. But when it comes to them paying something out, yeah, you're gonna be sitting waiting for a while. So and that's pretty much the story. I mean, I've got one thing that was quick to get squared away was the actual property damage for the truck. I got the estimates for that, and then it wasn't really too long to get that approved by Geico. But what took so long was actually the loss of business aspect of it. That kind of, I don't know, it's like pulling teeth from a pit bull sometimes, I guess. I sent them over whatever documents they needed to verify, the business income, whatever, gross income, expenses, and all that jazz. But, well, you would figure it'd be some simple mathematics. Took them quite a bit to actually do. So, but yeah, I finally got that squared away. And I'm headed to the shop. The shop has all the parts they need. So, yeah, it's time to bring it in. Come on, buddy, come on. Time to go, time to go. I tell you what, guys, it's been a long time coming, and yeah, I kind of been looking forward to it, to be honest with you. Kind of been looking forward to kind of getting off the road. It's been a very long time since I had a solid vacation, or time off, generally speaking, where I can just kind of go home for what's probably going to be 2 weeks, no, like 3 weeks, I think it's quoted at. So, yeah. But it's definitely time I think I deserve after a few years just being a constant go battle. But yeah. How's it going? So.
I like that.
Right? People don't stop and think, hey, you got that little side door on your reefer, why you gotta open up the whole damn thing? You just pop that open, take a peek, do what they gotta do. But yeah. So anyway, I was just saying, what was I saying? Oh yeah, time off. I'm kind of using this, as a sort of a forced vacation, guys. But if you're married, that's short-lived, because I've been told, along the grapevine that I already have a honey-do list from hell that is waiting for me, the stuff to do at the house. They're already talking about doing some painting work, and yeah, yeah. Welcome to the story of my life. But right then, now, so it's funny. I wanted to mention is also that it was sort of a delay with not only I was dealing with the insurance thing, but it's also it turns out. Well, I mean, it turns out it comes as really no surprise that there is a shortage of parts out there in the industry right now when it comes to fixing stuff, or so it was sort of a battle chasing down some of the parts, and as you guys probably seen in some of the pictures that. My truck does have some custom parts that were damaged in the process, and those custom parts are apparently very hard to come by. One of them being, I mean, it wasn't a surprise too. When it comes down to chasing the bumper that is on this truck is not even a year old, and it's already gotten damaged through this whole incident. But I lucked out with finding that one. It was the last one on the shelf that somebody apparently rejected at some point. When they were buying a bumper, and I got it from Rainey's Chrome Shop in Ocala. So when I called in initially, they said they didn't have it. They don't have any bumpers for the ones that I'm looking at, the style that I'm looking at. But when I said, you know what, let me go over there and look at, physically drive up there and go look at what they have in stock. Maybe something will catch my eye. And sure enough, they have exactly the one I'm looking at. I was looking for. So I guess it wasn't sort of inventoried, so they didn't know it was in the system. It was kind of laying in the back of the warehouse collecting dust. So, but yeah, so again, it comes down to a battle where that bumper, the same one to have it replaced, it had to have been custom made by Lincoln Chrome, specifically for my truck right now, because I guess word has it, nobody has the bumper anywhere in the United States, the one that's on the truck. So it's the one that they just got. It was hot off the press, straight from Lincoln Chrome. Among other things, the side skirt, the flares or the chrome pieces that go under the sleeper, stuff like that. I figure it's, if it is a slab of metal, it couldn't be that hard to make, but who am I to say anything? I don't know. But yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much the story, guys. So I'm dropping off the truck now. I will be there in a little bit. Alright, guys, boys and girls, just around the corner from the body shop, so I'm told I gotta leave my trailer in their drop lot somewhere, which, from what I remember, is not an easy one to get the trailer into, because they've got a million of other things parked in that lot. So let's give it a shot and see how we do today. Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, time to test our driving skills. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, so that's the drop lot. That ain't bad. Hold on, I got this figured out. That spot right there. Well, no, that's a bobtail parking. Hold on. Yeah, let me back in there and see what it looks like. Because that's... Yeah, the bobtails are parked there, so I can't put a trailer or stick out like a sore thumb. Let's have a look-see, huh? Let's have a look-see. Time to do some blindside. That's always fun, right? That's always fun. I tell you what, it's a godsend, these moto mirrors that, I can rotate, flip around. So I'll be honest with you, I've never had to actually swing a door open on this truck, even if that wouldn't actually make a difference, regardless, because the mirrors are not attached to the door. I remember I had a 379 that, the mirrors were attached to the door, so I had to kind of swing it to get that right angle, yeah, door swinger, as the saying goes, yeah, I'm guilty of that, but this truck doesn't have to do that. I don't have to actually open the door for really anything, any kind of backing, even the hardest of blindsides. So that's always cool about this truck. I love it about it. It's definitely worth the money for motor mirrors. But, you know what? I'm looking at the lines in that spot. I think it's really meant for be a trailer spot because look how long. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. Look how long that is. That's a regular spot. They just so happen to put bobtails in it. So we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Let's see what I'm going to go right back in there and check it out. See what it looks like. Oh, what fun it is to drive. I need a break. I need a break. I'll get it all the way back. I don't know how far I can get to the fence. Oh yeah, this will work. This will work just fine. I mean, hell, they really want to get more space. They can always kind of move it because look, this truck can get out and all that stuff. So if I get my bobtail out, that'll work just fine. Yay! Yeah, guys. So that's that for this episode of the repair process saga. I'm probably gonna roll by here maybe in a week or so and maybe get some B-roll footage or something of the repair process. Hopefully they'll give me a glimpse I can catch on camera of the paint process. I don't know if they'll let me in a paint booth or anything like that, but we will try. We will try. So tune in for the next one, guys. And that being said, stay safe. Try not to destroy your truck out there. Do your best. It's a crazy world we live in, a crazy world we drive in. And I'll see you guys later. Adios.